Hi everyone. I want to put this thing of M23 and SADC soldiers in perspective. So these soldiers were sent on a mission by the SADC, meaning that the heads of states agreed that these soldiers, these peacekeepers, must go there to Goma to make sure that there is peace. But instead of being embraced as people who are bringing peace, coming from countries with no war, coming with alternative ways of living together in a communal way or in a harmonious way, but instead, after they give them that information, then they are killed. So the SADC response must be very serious, serious and harsh against the M23 rebels because they are rebels.